Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best coleslaw. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 medium head of green cabbage and 2 carrots. For the dressing, have 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper ready. These basic items are the foundation for a truly delicious side dish. Now let's get to the preparation. Start by finely shredding your green cabbage. A food processor with a shredding disc works wonders here, or you can use a sharp knife. Grate the 2 carrots and add them to the large bowl with the cabbage. In a separate, smaller bowl, whisk together the 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar until smooth. Then, stir in the sugar, salt, and pepper. With your vegetables prepped and your dressing mixed, it's time to bring them together. Pour the creamy dressing directly over the shredded cabbage and grated carrots in the large bowl. Using tongs or a large spoon, toss everything thoroughly until all the vegetables are evenly coated with the dressing. This ensures every bite is flavorful. Once combined, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the coleslaw for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. After chilling, give your coleslaw a final stir to redistribute the dressing, as some liquid may have settled at the bottom. Serve it chilled as a refreshing and crunchy side dish. It pairs wonderfully with barbecue, sandwiches, or grilled meats. This easy method consistently delivers a coleslaw that's both creamy and crisp, making it a crowd pleaser every time. Remember to check the description for a link to those amazing socks and other great deals to enhance your everyday comfort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.